I'm Maddie and here are our top 10 intelligent animals. Capuchins are highly intelligent primates that will always spot an opportunity for food. Underneath their tough exterior, clams offer a meaty meal, and these clever monkeys have worked out a way to crack them open. Utilising their grasping hands, capuchins have learned that by bashing the shellfish hard and long enough, the clam relaxes, allowing them to devour the flesh inside. The kea's intelligence is thought to rival a monkey's. When presented with puzzles in captivity, these parrots are able to solve complex challenges, even demonstrating the ability to act as a team. In the wild, their bold, curious nature means they've developed a wide and varied diet. Scientists believe this may have allowed them to adapt to environmental change when other species have become extinct. Orangutans learn quickly by observation and imitation. The use of this boat and washing of socks is something this female has discovered by using her own initiative. In the wild, orangutans use leaves as gloves to avoid prickly plants and craft rain hats to keep dry during showers. Caledonian crows craft branches and leaves into tools in order to extract food from unreachable places. They even carry their favourite utensils around with them. But it's not just the physical skill these birds have learned. The crow knows that grubs bite when attacked, and by provoking them, they're able to successfully secure their meal. Ants combine their intellect to achieve the otherwise impossible. Army ants can take down animals that dwarf them, injecting a venom that liquefies tissue so they can carry the pieces back to their bivouac home. And fire ants are able to escape a flooded forest floor by interlinking their bodies to create a living raft, ensuring their future is safe by keeping everything they need to survive safe and dry in the middle. Carrion crows have developed to city life. They've found a way of using traffic to crush nuts. At first it proved difficult for the birds to retrieve the smashed food until they learnt about zebra crossings. By cleverly dropping the nut in a pedestrian area, they're able to wait for the green man light to safely recover the food. The octopus is considered to be the most intelligent of all invertebrates. It can mimic its surroundings and other animals, use tools, remember information, and solve mazes. 2/3 of its brain are located in its arms, leading scientists to believe that each tentacle may be able to think independently. Recent studies have found that the main brain sends a single command to the arm, which will in turn work out how to execute it. Elephants have complex brains, are quick learners, and like the saying goes, never forget. They're highly social animals and form emotional bonds, even mourning the loss of other elephants after death. In captivity, they've astounded scientists by even outsmarting researchers, finding solutions to puzzles that haven't even been predicted. Check out more in the description below. Dolphins adapt their hunting strategy based on their environment. This pod have developed a clever way to catch fish in murky waters. A lead member checks the riverbank and communicates it's safe. The dolphins synchronise perfectly to create a surge, pushing themselves and the fish onto the land. They're able to see the fish and get their fill before wriggling back into the water. Chimpanzees' ability to use tools illustrates their high level of intelligence. They fish for ants and termites with a toolkit, digging into a mound with a heavy stick and extracting the insects inside with a long, slender stem. They've also learned to use stones as a hammer and anvil to crack open nuts. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Earth Unplugged, and we'll see you soon for more top 10 picks.
Is a bigger brain a better brain? The record size for brains in the animal kingdom goes to the sperm whale, weighing in at 7.8 kilograms or 17 pounds. That's 5 times heavier than my own gray matter. But sperm whales are big mammals, so having a big brain is a bit of a no-brainer.